guys, I just wanted to show you the condition of my Singing in the Rain dog. He's all destroyed. He's opened up inside. He has a spinning knob very similar to the spinning snowflake snowman's hip swinging. Here's what's wrong with the speaker. It's literally in half. You can see the other half in there. Here's the top half. I wonder if I'm able to audio rip it. I think the information, what it plays, what notes it hit, the sounds the speaker makes are transmitted through these wires. So if I can just clamp the audio cord to those wires, then could I audio rip it, or does it actually need the entire speaker? I'm just curious. Anyway, here's his arm. I'm probably gonna end up fixing it again today. Here's the headpiece. Here's a little, I'm gonna show you how it works quick. How the inside mechanisms work. Here's the spinning knob. And then here's what it turns, that little black thing there. It goes back and forth in a circle type of way. And let me, hold on. Because the board's down there. I'm not going to circuit bend it or anything because I don't want to break it. It's a childhood item. Big childhood. So, yeah. So, sometime I'll have to put this back in there, but yeah. Anyway, as for right now, hold on, let me get the headpiece situated in there, because here's the back piece. Here's the back of him. There's the back. It's very, very brittle, which is not a good, everything up here is brittle. That's not a good sign, and it's cracked already. The camera can focus. Yeah, it's cracked. So, hold on, I need to situate the headpiece so that I can show you the workings of it. So yeah, there's the headpiece. It goes back and forth as the arms move back and forth through this thing. Hold on. I'm getting a glowworm. Okay, alright, here's a glowworm. For lighting. Does it give any light? I'm just curious. Oh, I'll try seahorse. A little bit. Yeah, that's not good either. Hold on. I need to get a light source quick. Good light source. Because I don't think the glowworm's bright enough, and neither is the seahorse. Oh well, ooh, Quimastui. How about Quimastui light? Yeah. That's not really bright enough either, and those, blink, and the Christmas tree itself moves, so not a viable option. And I still have that LED from the toy train, but it's not connected to anything that I can operate it to. Because God knows what'll happen if I just connect it to a battery. Just the two wires to the battery. I mean, it might work, but I don't want to, overpower it or anything. Oh well. I promise I'll find a light source. Oh, yes, idea. Yes. Oh, yeah. Glowworm Gang literally just commented on my video. Yeah, that video was like years ago. I thought minor meant like it was shortened, but yeah, I know it's G major now. So I'll go ahead and change the title. Change the title. And as of the Baby Bach Toys in Action remake, yes, that is currently in the works right now. I have parts ready to use. Yep. So in 2017, well, yeah, that video is way old, so. Tacky Mr. White Christmas. Oh well. Anyway, here's my big brain or small brain idea, whatever. Hold on. This is my idea right here. Freaking lag.
Let's see what forensics thinks.
I hate this thing.
Want to get away? Now
Holy crap. 9.21 million views. Dang, lots of people have been rickrolled. But anyway, here. Yeah. I'll stop it. I'll stop the rickroll. You can keep watching, guys. Don't stop watching. I'm not gonna rickroll you again in this video. I promise. I promise. So yeah, there's the what the headpiece is connected to. And when this moves back and forth, it moves the headpiece, which is in a groove that I will show you later. So let's go ahead and take the headpiece out. And so that's what also moves the arms. Oh, and yeah, there's the problem with the speaker. Yeah, there's the other end of the speaker in there. I'll try audio ripping it later today, because it's a knockoff. It's probably gonna sound just like Cuddle Barn, probably worse. If it's clearer than Cuddle Barn, I'm gonna flip. I will legitimately flip out. I will have a legit spasm if it comes out clearer than Cuddle Barn. But yeah, I'll probably end up like fixing this arm today, since it's like right here and it's already like way opened up. So now I'm going to put the headpiece back in and show you the groove that it goes into. So yeah, here's that groove that it goes into right there, that little notch, because the headpiece is right in there. And I'll show you. So nothing in it, and now the headpiece is in there. So when the arms move, the headpiece also moves, and vice versa. Yeah, I don't want to like pull any wires or anything. That's why I'm not like, that's why everything's still close together, because I don't want to like pull out the button. Then I'll have to reconnect a wire or like put another push button, which I have. I actually have 2 more push buttons in my parts for customs and repair parts box, which I'll actually show you right now. Here it is, parts and stuff for customs. Probably send this gearbox, the rest of the gears in it. So, I still have, yeah, here's actually the Singing in the Rain Dog's other arm.